Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my blog. It's me again, it's Pinay Blog. It's lunchtime. Lunchtime here in Maryland, USA. It's 12 in the afternoon. It's lunchtime. We're having coffee for lunch, of course, and plain water and plain hot dog and of course chicken tender and garlic rice. So let's eat, everyone. Make a shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. And don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all. And for more updated for the next vlog, it's me again, it's Pinay Blog. And please visit me to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, like, and share, please visit me to It's Pinay Blog. And thank you very much, everyone. God bless you all. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Spread love. Love is in the air. It's me again. It's Pinay Blog. Thank you for watching. And see you again soon. God bless you all. Thank you and God bless you. Take care and God bless you all. So long, everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Blog.